Welcome back. Let's put focus on the numbers then. Today, the big one from the Nifty is M&M, expected to release its third quarter numbers. Sudarshan joins in to tell us what the street expects. Sudarshan, we already have the volume data and we also have the Vahan data that you painstakingly put out every month, much ahead of everyone else. Let's hear you talk about the numbers as well.
So if you ask anyone which are those two segments in the auto sector which have been performing well, and those two segments are in passenger vehicles, it's SUV, and second is tractor segment. So which company is the leader in both these segments? M&M. So you can see in the volumes. YOY for auto, volumes of M&M have increased by 16%, and for tractor segment, volumes are up 20%. So on the basis of strong volume growth, we are expecting a healthy set of earnings by M&M for Q3FY25. Profit is seen rising 29%, revenue may increase by 21%, EBITDA too can see a rise of 37%, and margin may increase by almost 200 basis points. It may come at 14.5% versus 12.8% that company reported in the same quarter last year. Also, realization may see a rise on YOY, but sequentially it may see a minor dip. Now talking about the commentary, what exactly we would be looking in the commentary. First, what is the status on overall demand if there is an uptick in the last few months, and what would be the target for FY25, basically estimates for FY25. For tractor segment, considering the demand growth in last few months, if there is any uptick in the estimate for FY25. And lastly, for EV, recently the company has made launches for 2 to 3 new products. So how has the demand been panning out over the last few months?
Thank you very much for that. And this dominance in SUVs and tractors is really showing up in the stock price. 85% up in the last 1 year, 250% up in the last 3 years. And even if you look at a CAGR return over the last 5 years, which is starting the time of COVID, it's been a 41% stock price CAGR for M&M. But we will get into a short break on that note. On the other side, we'll invite the management of Gulf Oil Lubricants. The stock is up 5% post Q3 numbers. We'll get chatting.